roughly like 2 hours or so. There's been pretty bad traffic, but in the end it wasn't too bad. We're going camping just for the night. We just got a bunch of us all gathering, and I've just been busy all day to go sort out like the tent and airbed and things like that. So we're all just ready to just get there, get set up, and just have a good time. All right.
2012 Community of the Year.
Okay, still got the sign up.
Yep.
That's so funny. Jamming to his car. He's jamming to his car horn.
He's like,
He's dropping it down.
oh, that's great.
I love it. Good morning everyone, we've just woken up, we're at our tent site, so I'm just going to show you around a little bit.
We didn't do any of this today.
Yeah, oh well. So we arrived last night, but it was pretty late and it was getting dark, so we just had to set up tents quickly. So I just wanted to show you everything around. Alright, so this is our little camping area. We've got all this area to ourselves, it's really secluded, which is awesome. Now we're just going to go say hi to everyone. I'm just going to pop in this tent. Hello!
How are you guys doing with this?
What up, Sammy?
You do that.
What up?
Yo! What are you guys up to?
Oi, just chilling, eh? About to come out. About to come enjoy the day.
No.
Come enjoy the day. It's beautiful. This is my tent. Yeah, we're going to be out in the wilderness. It's going to be great. And then it started like raining just before we went to bed and we were like, oh no. So we quickly chucked the fly on.
At like 1 AM.
Yeah. It was pretty like mishy, but all good.
Okay.
I might borrow a little bit of your foundation actually. And that little bridge over there, I'm just going to walk over there. This actually leads to the swimming hole, which we're going to be going to later. And it's so aesthetic, so I just got to get that mean bridge shot.